Hello, welcome back. So this is the fifth lecture for chapter 21 about hashing. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss the fourth example, okay, Java hashing. So over here, we have two files, the book class and the Java hashing. Application. And in this example, we are just going to directly use Java's hash set. Okay, so if you recall previously, we learned set. Okay, so for set, we have hash set, we also have tree set. And the tree set allows sorting. Okay, and the set concept is only allow unique item. And here we also add in the hash. Okay, so what is this concept here? Okay, and so for the book class, it's exactly the same. Here I just want to um, review again. We implement, we override the hash code method with objects hash method. Okay, and then let's see what we import for this example. So in this example, we are going to use a hash set. So we import it. We also use a set and array list. Okay, so over here we create 8 books. Okay, and then for these 8 books, we are going to loop one by one, do the iteration, and then check if certain book is within this array. And what next we did, if you take a look, is because each book they implement the hash code method here, we have two hash code implemented. Okay, and just keep that in mind. We have 8 books. Okay, and we have these 2 books. The first one, the second one, we output their hash code. And here's a running result. We can see the hash code are the same. Okay. And then we create a hash set object called ST. And then we are going to add this 8 book to this hash set. And when we check the hash set size, then you can find it's 8. Okay. And why it is because if you recall, hash only allow unique, but how it can determine in this scenario. So it uses a hash code. So it uses objects hash code to determine if the 2 books, okay, if it's unique or not. Okay. So and then it also check if it contains certain item to do the lookup here, basically. And then let's see what else it has. Okay, then what next we did over here is we have an array list of book. Okay, and this array list size is 8. And then for this array list, each of the item we store, uh, we create a new array list. Okay, and then for each of the book, we are going to using the hashing approach. okay, to add the book to this to this array list. Basically, it's array list of array list. Okay, so we have 8. This is the index 0, index 1, index 7. And then within it, we also have array list. So each one is array list here. Okay, array list. And for each book, then we use the index to add the book. So it could have duplicate, is it? Yeah. So we store them in the respective slot. And what next we did is, okay, we have this book and we find the hash code and we try to find its index. Okay, its index. And then we output where the book's location is. And so um, at which, so in this regarding, because it's kind of, we have a two-dimensional data structure, is it? So we have the row, we want to locate which row it is and then which column it is. So that's why here we output it, okay? And the last is just to check objects as a hash code if we create an object. And then next, let's see. Okay, so that's all of the information. And then let's take a look the output. Okay, and we already saw this for the set. So this is a hash set. So it for the duplicate copy, it only store one copy. Okay, and then it output all of the items here for the set. So only 7 books. And then it also check if certain book exist in this set. And then what we did is, so if you take a look, so over here, the output is for the array list of array list. And we can see that the we have duplicate, so we have books, different books, but they store in the same row. Okay, so this is index 0. By index 0, we have 2 column 1 and column 2. We store 2 book. So similar for this, we also store 2 book. Okay, and for some array slot, array list slot, it's empty. So you have some duplicate, you also have some empty cases. Okay, so here again, once again, we kind of uh, saw the idea about hashing. Okay, again, for the hashing concept used. Okay. Okay, so that's all of the information in this chapter. So in our next lecture, we are going to discuss the new chapter. See you.